Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to learn about jQuery's serialize method in which we shall actually send the data of the form by using the serialize method. And you'll learn that how you can send whole form data with this method, and you'll use that serialize method in the jQuery's post method. So let us see how we can do this. First of all, create file page 1 and we create another file page2.php. Okay, on this page 1 we are going to create a form. We specify the basic text HTML head, so form data using serialize method. Now in body section we are going to create a form. Method is equals to post, and we want to actually assign ID to this form. So we'll give a name my form, username, input type is equals to text, and name is equals to uname. Password, input type is equals to password, and name is equals to password. Now input type is equals to button, and value is equals to register, and ID is equals to btn. Now let us integrate jQuery's library. Script type is equals to text slash JavaScript, and the source of the file inside the JS folder. Now we define a jQuery's document.ready. Script type is equals to text slash JavaScript. Now jQuery document dot ready, then function. All right. Now what we do here, once this button is clicked, then the whole form data should be sent to the page 2. So what we do here, jQuery hbtn dot click. Once it is clicked, then we are going to call a function. In this function, we are going to use a jQuery dot post, define the URL where we are going to send the data, that is page2.php. And in this second, we are going to give the parameter uh, in which we are going to actually use the serialize method to send the data to the server. So we have assigned ID to the form, and it is actually hash my form. So my form dot serialize. Now once it is done, then we are going to use a callback function, and here we want to alert the data which is actually coming from the server. So on the next page, we have to access these form values with the names. We have a name is assigned to this text box is a uname, and for the password field we have a PASSWD, which is the name. So we have to access with the name. On this page, what we are going to do, we are going to create two variables. $uname is equals to $_post. The name of the text box is a uname. So we want to copy this, and we have another variable $password is equals to $_post, and the name is this. So we copy this and we paste here. Okay. Now we want to actually echo these two variables. $uname and dot is basically concatenation $password. Let us execute this. We specify name Suleiman and password Neyman. Here it is creating a problem. So let us see. Okay, refresh this, and I want to see whether it is displaying. Yeah. Okay, data is coming. So Suleiman Mehman. So in this way, you can actually use the serialize method. For serialize method, what you want to do is actually create a form and assign ID to form. Even you can access with the name as well, and inside this post method you can actually send whole form data through serialize.